Welcome back, folks. Live trade here on gold on NFP news. During this news, there is an elevated risk, and I don't encourage anybody to risk capital on these news events. High volatility, high level of manipulation. I believe that we will take out these highs. Okay, I already have some long positions on, and I'm targeting 2528. Okay, I think we will take out these all-time highs, but I don't need to target the all-time highs. Okay, I think this is the easy exit. Relatively equal highs above this high, which is yesterday's high. Okay, if we look at order flow, we have a 4-hourly order block that we are coming into. Okay, and this current 4-hourly candle has taken liquidity, right, of the previous 4-hourly candle, which is good to see. It's taken all this liquidity. Okay, and it's also taken a low of this. Let's actually put a line there so we can clearly see the liquidity that this current 4-hourly candle has taken. Okay, now this wick is what I'm looking at, and the midpoint of that wick is down here at 2509.50. So we could wick down into there. This here is the 1-hourly fair value gap. Okay, and that little box, pink shaded box, is a 15-minute fair value gap. So we still could wick down. I don't think, let's see, how many pips would that be from where we are? 60 pips, maybe. It's possible. NFP does move the market. But I think it's already taken liquidity, and that's probably enough. I'm bullish, and therefore I'm trading in alignment with my directional bias. Obviously, I could get slapped in the face, so I haven't got a large position on. Okay, 3 lots, 3 lots. That's what I have on. Usually I'll trade 3, 5 lots, and even higher. Okay, sometimes I'll take it in lots of 8. So usually on a high impact news event, I will only trade 1 3 lot. But my assessment is that if I look at a 1-hourly chart, my assessment is that this, what we see here, is a market maker buy model. Okay, we've got consolidation here above, and this is all, basically this is the sell side of the curve, and now we've had a smart money reversal, which has taken, which has been established at the low of this current week on a Tuesday. I think that was a Wednesday actually, taking that low of Tuesday, which was low of the week, and now we are in the buy side of the curve. So all the work has been done below, in my opinion. Okay, on this 1-hourly chart, we also come into this fair value gap. Well, we haven't completely closed it yet. That's where that purple line is, right there. Okay, and so I believe that we are going to be, the draw on liquidity, my view is up here, 25.31. I think is the highest point, which is there. Now my target, as I said, is just up here at 25.28. So just those relative equal highs. Okay, and so that's why, in my opinion, that's kind of the bigger picture, and why I've taken 3 lots of 3 instead of what I would normally trade on a news announcement, which would be 1 3 lot. Okay, so that just gives you some context into my thinking there. And you know, to be honest, there's no need for me to trade this. Okay, I've had a pretty good week. There's all my trades journal on my Twitter profile, and the market's moved in alignment with my directional bias, which for the first part of the week was to the downside, down to that 2470 level. We got down as close to 2473, so that's not too bad. Forecasting last Monday, wherever we were on Monday, I said we'd go down to 2470. I think it was more than 400 pip move. Got down to 2473. That's not a bad forecast. And then since Wednesday, I've been long, right, from down here from the low of the week. So this is where we were. Okay, somewhere around here. And I had said we're going down to 2470. Got down to 2473, whatever that low is there. Okay, that's not bad. And then from that level, I've been long. Okay, and so there's no need for me to be engaged in the market right now at this point in time where we have an elevated level of risk. Okay, but I do believe that these highs is what the algorithm will be drawn to. But as ICT says, on these news announcements, there can be manual override, meaning that the algorithm may not do that which is expected. Okay, so that's my current position. I'm looking for this market to reprice higher. I'm already long the market. Okay, and as I said, this could be a big slap in the face for me, right? Anything can happen. But I do feel that this is the dump, right? Yesterday in New York, and now we're pumping up. Okay, at a minimum, we should take out yesterday's high. Okay, so when we do reach yesterday's high, based on how price behaves, I could easily put my trade to break even. Okay, and that's most likely what I will do. Let's see how this goes. We've got about 30 seconds remaining, right? times down here. Okay, news comes out at 8:30. I'm going to go on mute, and we can watch this together. There you go, folks. Nice, easy trade. I've closed all my positions, and I need to very quickly journal this now. Take a snapshot. Not bad. Okay. As I said, elevated risk, not something I encourage. It does take a lot of discipline, and I'm not stressed in this trade at all. I'm looking for the market to move in the direction of the high time frame bias. Okay, that takes some learning and experience over time. Obviously, a level of capital, right, to be able to trade the size and the risk that I do. So I don't encourage anybody to take this level of risk on a day where there is heightened elevated risk. Okay, NFP. So I've closed my position. I'll journal this trade. I hope the video is useful. Okay, I will now talk with you in a future video.